Searching for helpful information on snoring? Look below. Millions of people will someday experience the woes of chronic snoring, whether they themselves are creating this irksome sound or whether their sleep is disrupted by their partner. While there are many superficial issues that can cause snoring, it can also be indicative of a more serious health issue. Read on to find out more about this common affliction. If you have problems with snoring during the colder winter months, consider purchasing a humidifier. If you allow the humidifier to remain on in your bedroom while you sleep, you may notice less snoring. The moisture in the air reduces congestion in your chest and reduces the breathing difficulty that can lead to snoring. If your bedmate is a chronic snorer, it may become necessary to make certain adjustments to your schedules. Ask your snoring partner to wait until you have already fallen asleep before coming to bed. This way, you can fall asleep quickly and may have a better chance of waking up being well rested the next day. If your snoring is growing worse, make sure that the pillow you use at night is thick enough to elevate your head. Sleeping on a pillow that does not have adequate girth will not only increase your snoring, but it will also disturb your loved ones who are trying to sleep. Do not consume dairy before going to bed. Dairy products may cause a buildup of mucus in your respiratory system, and this buildup causes snoring. Do not eat ice cream, drink milk, or consume any other dairy products before bed, and this can help you avoid snoring. If you are a smoker that snores, your cigarette habit may be a large part of the problem. Go ahead and quit. Smoking causes a great deal of damage to the respiratory system and increases the amount of mucus in your airways, which can lead to snoring. Kicking the habit may nip your snoring problems in the bud. Buy a new pillow to help with your snoring. Sometimes all you need to stop snoring is to change pillows. Some pillows restrict your breathing passages. This makes you open your mouth in compensation, and, when you breathe through your mouth, you start snoring. Try using a firmer pillow and one that elevates your head somewhat more than your old pillow. Now you should have a better understanding of why you and others snore. The internet is full of advice on this common issue, but not all of it is sound. Consider the above advice carefully whenever you endeavor to solve a snoring problem. If all else fails, consult your doctor for a second opinion. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.